there, I'm Anna McPherson from McGrath Estate Agents, and here I am at our latest listing at 17 Barrington Court in Pacific Heights. This stunning, well-appointed property is well worth the inspection, so come on in and we'll show you around. The well-appointed corner kitchen has stone bench tops, 2-pack finish, quality electric appliances, and a servery out to my favourite area of the home. My absolute favourite part of this stunning property is the outdoor entertaining area that overlooks the stunning in-ground pool and encapsulates those panoramic views of the coast. Have it for our latest listing at 17 Barrington Court in Pacific Heights. Situated on a 959 metre square allotment and built in 2019, this low maintenance property with absolutely stunning sea views, situated a stone's throw from St Benedict's School, is perfect for those looking to downsize or for young families. If you'd like to arrange your private inspection, please don't hesitate to contact Adam Cook or myself. We'd love to show you through.